Hi! Please click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon right next to it so that you get notified every time I upload a new video, and it's absolutely free. Hello health nuts! So couple of weeks back, I spoke about this Asian style stir fry vegetable dish in my 900 calorie meal plan video. If you haven't seen that video yet, click the link in the description box below or the card up top to check out that video. So I got few requests to share the full recipe of this stir fry dish. So here it is. Super easy and super delicious Asian style stir fried vegetables. For this recipe, you're going to need a variety of vegetables, and the more the color, the better. Today I'm going to be using some bell peppers, and I've got all the three colors. Some broccoli florets, some shiitake mushrooms, and some baby corn. You can use whichever vegetable you like or whatever is available with you. It is totally customizable. In addition to these, you're also going to be needing some minced garlic and some diced onions. Start off by heating about a tablespoon of olive oil in a frying pan or a wok. Now add your minced or chopped garlic and fry it for just a few seconds. Next, go ahead and add in the diced onions and fry it till it turns translucent. Next, add in the bell peppers and fry these for a few minutes. At this point, if you want, you can sprinkle a little bit of salt so that it will help the vegetables to cook faster. But you don't want to overcook them because you don't want a soggy stir fry. Stir fries taste best when the vegetables are a little bit crunchy. Now add the baby corns and fry it for a couple of minutes. Next goes in the mushrooms and fry these till they release all their moisture. At this stage, also add in some salt and cracked pepper. Once the mushrooms have released all the moisture, finally add in the broccoli. Now while the broccoli is getting cooked, let's move on to prepare our sauce or dressing for the stir fry. To prepare the dressing, in a bowl, take 1 teaspoon of sugar, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, and a few drops of sesame oil. Also add in a little bit of water and then mix it all well. Now pour this dressing over your stir fry and give it a good toss and let it cook for just about a minute. And you're done! Your super easy, super delicious, super nutritious Asian style vegetable stir fry is ready to be served. So I hope you give this a try. If you do, let me know in the comment section below. If you like the video, leave a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more easy, delicious and healthy recipes and weight loss tips. I'll see you next time. Till then, stay healthy, stay happy.